children, let's start with chapter number 5, Introduction to PowerPoint 2016. Now in this chapter, we will study about PowerPoint presentation, and one by one I will tell you about all the topics, how to start a PowerPoint 2016, PowerPoint 2016 window, then changing slides layout, formatting presentation, navigating slides during slideshow, how we can navigate file during slideshow, saving a presentation, opening a saved presentation. When you have to open a saved presentation, now saving the slideshow and closing a presentation. Now I will start with the chapter. Let's first introduce about the chapter. PowerPoint, what it allows us. It allows us to create presentation, photo album and storyboards. We can combine. What we can combine? Text, graphics and multimedia content to create professional presentation, right? Now, MS PowerPoint, it is an application software developed by, what it is? It is an application software which is developed by Microsoft. It allows us to create and show slides to support presentation. Now, presentation is the collection of individual slides that contain information on a topic. It contains number of slides, and in the number of slides, what it have your information on a topic. Now, PowerPoint presentation are commonly used by teachers, students, working people, or for business meeting, like for training or for educational purpose. What we have, we prepare presentation. Now we can make professional presentation, audience handouts, outlines and speakers notes. What all are these? These all the things that we require to make a presentation. Now next is, before we start learning PowerPoint, first of all, let us familiarize ourselves with the following two terms commonly used in PowerPoint. First is slide. What is slide? It is a presentation which is created using PowerPoint, consists of individual pages. It may have individual pages called slides, and a slide can contain, it may have text, images, audio clips and videos. Then we have slideshow, when multiple slides are displayed together. In a complete sequence, when multiple slides are there then multiple slides are displayed together. So what it is called? Slideshow. Next is starting PowerPoint 2016. First of all, what you have to do, click on the start button, click on PowerPoint. First of all, you have to click on start button and then on PowerPoint. We can type PowerPoint in the search box and press the enter key. What you will do, you will type PowerPoint in the search box and you will press enter key. So the start screen of the PowerPoint window will appear, right? Next is click on the blank presentation. The presentation window will appear till as presentation 1 PowerPoint. What it is? It is a default name. Now, first of all, let me show you the PowerPoint window. Where you will go? First of all, we will go to start. Then you can search over here. Now here your PowerPoint window will appear. Like this, your PowerPoint window will appear. Now I will tell you about. Now let's study about PowerPoint window 2016. What we have? This is your quick access toolbar, right? This is your file tab. These are slide thumbnail pane. And what is this? This is slide pane. This is your text holder and this is your ribbon. These are program control button to minimize, maximize and close. And we have title bar which tells about the name of the PowerPoint presentation. Next, this is your notes pane and this is your view option. Next, let's study them. First is quick access toolbar. It displays quick commands. What it have? It have your save, undo and redo option. Now title bar, topmost bar that allows to view the currently displayed presentation. File tab, when you click on File tab, what happens? A big backstage view appears with a list of commands such as save, open and print. Next is ribbon. If we talk about ribbon, it contains various commands for working of the presentation. Ribbon has various tasks. Just home, insert and design. The command under each tab are organized into various groups, and each groups contain a set of commands which have specific tasks. Next is your program control button. What these help? These buttons helps us to minimize the program window, restore the window to full size, or to close the window. These are the different things that you can do over here. Next is slide pane. What is slide pane? The area displays large view of the current slide. We can enter text, graphics or animation directly. Then we have slide thumbnail pane. It displays thumbnail version of each slide of the slide pane. Then we have note pane. It displays the notes for the current slide. This is a text area that consists of notes that is meant for us, and what it's do, it's remark to share with the audience. You can easily share your slide with the audience. Next we have text placeholder. It allows us to type titles, body text and bullet list in the slide. Then we have view option. They allow us to quickly change the way our presentation that is displayed. Normal view, slide sorter view, reading view or slideshow view. What are these? These are the 4 main views of PowerPoint. Next is changing the slide layout. Now you have to change the slide layout. How you will change it? For that, different steps has been given to you. Now, whenever we open a new presentation in a PowerPoint, the presentation programs begins with the title slide. Your presentation program, it begins with the title slide. However, there are many slide layout options available in the PowerPoint. Like we have slide layout defines how the text, picture, chart or other tones will appear on the slide. Next, we have follow the given step to change the layout of the slide. First of all, you will click on the home tab. Where we will go? We will go on the home tab. Then from the slide group home tab, click on the layout option. Slide layout will appear with the multiple option. Here you will have a multiple option of the slide layout, and click on the design layout design to apply to the slide. Whatever option you want to apply, you can click on it and you can apply it. And your layout will be changed. May I show you? Now, first of all, we will go to home. Then we will go to, this is slide layout option. Whatever you want, you can click, it will change like this. You can change any slide of your wish, whichever slide you want, right? Now, next is saving the slide. Now you have to save the slide. Then how you will save? Presentation, it is the collection of pages arranged in a sequence that contain text and images for presentation before an audience. When we insert a new slide, it will usually have the placeholder to show where the content will be placed. After working on the slide, we need to save it. What you have to do? You have to save. Next is follow the below steps to save the file. Now, I will tell you different steps how you can save the file. Now, click on the File tab, the Backstage view will appear. You will go to File tab, the Backstage view will appear. Click on the Save As button, the Save As dialog box will appear. Then click on Browse. On what you will click? You will click on Browse. Navigate the folder in which we want to save the presentation. You have to navigate the folder in which you want to save the presentation. So, type a name for the presentation and click on the Save button. PowerPoint 2016 will be saved, and the name will appear on the title bar. Where will the name appear? On the title bar. Right? May I show you? Let's see how we can save. Where you will go? You will go to File option. Then you will go to Save or Save As option. And you can save whenever, like we want to save on this PC, OneDrive. Right? You can save it like this. You can write here like this. It has written presentation 1. And it will be saved, and your presentation will be saved over there. Next is formatting presentation. Now you want to do formatting. For formatting makes our presentation look attractive and effective. A well-designed presentation helps us to connect with our audience. If you have well-designed presentation, it helps you to connect with your audience. Formatting slides in our presentation is what enhances the look of the slide. What it's do? It enhances the look of your slide. Next is and transform them into something that complements the content and resonates with the audience. So look at the formatting option given on the next page, which is available on the Home tab. Where it is available? On the Home tab. Now presentation can be made impressive by addition of text. You can add text, images, clip art. Based upon the slide layout, the required text, graphic, pictures or sound can be added in the slide. So these are the options. We have font style, we have font size. This is bold, italic, underline, slide, show, shadow and font color. Any color of your choice you can choose from here. Next is inserting text. Now you want to insert the text. How you will insert it? First of all, click on Insert tab and from the text group, click on the text box. You will go to text box. Then click on the slide where you want to add text while holding and dragging the mouse. A box having cursor will appear. Right? So the ribbons heading automatically change to Home tab and you can select the font. Whatever font you want to use, you can use here. Now type or paste the required text. To insert the text in the placeholder, you will click inside the placeholder and you will type or paste the text. Next is inserting picture. Follow the below steps to insert picture in PowerPoint 2016. You will click on Insert tab. From Images group, click on Picture option. You will go to Picture option and afterward the Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Then click on the desired picture to insert the slide and you will click on the Insert button and the picture will be inserted. Now I will show you how. You can go to Insert, then you will go to Pictures. Like this, your picture will be added over here. Right? Now, inserting a new slide. Now you want to insert a new slide. How you will insert? Here I will tell you one by one all the steps. A PowerPoint presentation is a combination of many slides. After creating a title slide, our next step is to add a new slide in the presentation. We can add any number of slides. How much is the requirement? You can add. Now, click on the Home tab and then on the slide group. From the slide group, click on the drop down arrow below the new slide, where you will click on the drop down arrow. Next is click on the layout that we want for our slide. If you want a new slide with the same layout, you want a new slide so that the layout may be same. The option from the slide group of the Home tab, new slide with the same layout appear. Or you may also press Ctrl+M on the keyboard. Now, slideshow. Slideshow view in PowerPoint is used to display presentation on or from the computer. This is the best way to view our presentation. Preview our presentation to ensure it is clear, focused and has the impact on the audience that we want. So click on the slideshow tab. From the slideshow group, click on from beginning to view the entire presentation. If we want to view the presentation from the current slide onwards, you will click on from current slide, where you will click on the current slide. Next is use arrow keys or click to the left mouse button to move one. You can also use arrow key. You can also use arrow key or you can use mouse click also to change your slide. Click on the exit option at the hand or you can also use ESC key to exit it. Next is navigating slides during slideshow. PowerPoint offers following keyboard shortcuts key. Keyboard shortcut fades down, right arrow, down arrow, enter and to advance to the next slide. Then page up, left arrow, up arrow, backspace to move back to previous slide. Then ESC control plus black to end a slideshow. Then number of the slide followed by to move a specific slide. If you want to move the specific slide, then you will use it. Now saving a presentation. We have done all this thing. Now what we have to do, we have to save our presentation. So after creating presentation, it must be saved for future. You have created a presentation, then you have to keep it for the future. So you have to, what you have to do, presentation anytime in future, the extension to save PowerPoint file is .ppta. Follow the below steps. First of all, you will open a file tab and then click on save as option. Right? Select the desired drive folder to save the presentation. Write the name of the file and click on save button. Whatever name you want to write, you can write. I have showed you in the starting also like that. You can save it. Now closing the presentation. Follow the steps. Click on the file tab. You will click on the file tab and then you will go to close option. We can also Ctrl plus W of the keyboard and Alt plus F4. Now let me show you how you will close it. You will go to file option like this and here option of close is given. Like this you can close it. Next is opening saved presentation. The presentation which is saved, how you will open it. First of all, click on file tab, click on open, select the location of the file and write the file name. You can also select the file location and file name and then you can open it. Write this. Now we have completed our chapter. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.